Hello my loves, it's Kasha Plannerista 101. So today we are going to be decorating my dashboard layout, which is called New Day, and it is a classic size happy planner. It is from 2021, so I'm going to be redating it, so bear with me. And as always, I printed my own sheet for the left side, punched it, and we're gonna get started. So as always, I'm gonna go ahead and glue it down. I'm going to be using the Posh Fall and Autumn blooms from Live Love Posh. So this year and last year, the clear sticker book with stickers from her. I'm going to be creating a very floral look. Maybe not completely necessarily Halloween because it is the Halloween week, but it's not going to be super Halloweeny. It's going to be more like deep. So we'll go from there. If this is your first time to my channel, welcome. I really hope you like it here. If you have been here before and you're coming back to spend more time with me, I'm so thankful for you, and you guys make my day. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop this out really quickly, and we're gonna start decorating. Okay, so we're gonna start with these Posh Fall stickers. I saw these deep violets that I wanted to use in here, so I'm just gonna see where they are. As you guys see, I'm very much loving my sticker books and using my stash for sure. Okay, so I think these are it. This is what I wanted to use. I'm gonna start with a huge pumpkin, and then the other book has a deeper violet I'm going to be bringing in here. So there we go. I'm super excited to do this. I think it's so beautiful. So let's go for it. Where are my... there. These are very much like Halloween dark vibes, and that's exactly what I wanted to use. So I'm gonna use a corner piece first and put it down and see how it goes. I was going to move the pumpkin, but let me see if I can layer over it. Okay, and in case I didn't say that, we are decorating for the week of October 31st, so Halloween, through November 6th. So the first week of November, I'm very excited about this because, as you can see, I get to do some florals. I can't believe how fast this year has gone by. I don't know when that happened. I feel like life has been going away with a blink. But I guess when you're healthy and everything is good, that's how it feels, right? And those people who are sick, it drags and they're miserable. So I'm sorry if you're going through something that's making you feel like time is standing still. I've been there. It's not fun, but I get it. So I'm gonna go ahead and keep going with this really dark purple vibe in here. I think they're beautiful. They look a little bit more darker on, I think, the page, and then when you put them down on a planner page, it looks lighter. So I'm going to be interchanging these lighter purples with these, like, they're like pink purple with these deep violet ones. I want to create kind of like a beautiful floral piece, but maybe play around with lightening it up a little with the other color. So that's where I'm at right now. Like I said, I'm playing with both books. It's a lot of fun. So I'm glad you're here with me. Look how pretty. Oh my gosh. I'm like such a sucker for florals. I just can't. So I'm gonna add that. I think that looks good. And I'm gonna keep going, because why not, right? So we'll keep going and add more of these lighter ones. Now add some pumpkins up here too, because how could I go without pumpkins? I'm gonna cut this. And I'm not removing lines from this. I was going to, but then I wanted to see how it looked with the lines, since I usually do remove them to see if it would be terrible, especially because this is so much color and it is darker. So I think I can get away with it, but let's see. In the bottom, you can kind of see on the lighter ones. Okay, let's see. And I'm hanging a pumpkin upside down. Yes, I am doing that. It's crazy. I know. Who does a pumpkin upside down? Okay, it's time to redate a little. So let's do that really, really quickly. I'm looking for like a small black sticker, so right there, and I can put flowers around it, so I'll go from there. So I probably will get a lighter one and then cut it, and well, I found an edge one, and I'll cut another one in half and then place it on the edge, and that should help. Okay, there we go. Let's see if I can put another little one in there, because this one looks so like flat, like that maybe. Okay, yeah, that's much better, I think. Yeah, it's super, super cute. I love it. Okay, let's add some dates. So 31st through the 6th. Here we go. We're gonna use black because, hey, that's what I like. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I'm gonna go backwards and from the 6th up. Okay, so that's working pretty well. And I am done with the spread. I'm gonna pop it back in my planner. Thanks for joining. If you stayed for the whole video, I'm so grateful. And I'll see you guys very soon for another Plan With Me video. Have a good week, and I'll see you soon. Bye!